How to fix Bet Plus app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Bet Plus app not working. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Bet Plus. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Bet Plus application and tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then completely delete the app and reinstall the app again from your app store, and by now your Bet Plus app should be working just fine. So, this is how you can fix Bet Plus app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Jones for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.